Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing tonight? I hope you're having a good night and welcome to my channel. I'm just stopping by for a quick video tonight. I acquired something this week and I have already put it today in my Etsy shop, and so I wanted to just do a little video so I could put a link in my Etsy shop listing, and so also so I could kind of do a little bit better description and show exactly what these are. I described it as best I could in my listing, but sometimes, you know, it's hard to, if you just see a listing, it's hard to, you know, you see the pictures and it's a flat picture. You don't know exactly maybe what's going on. So because these are so unique, I wanted to do a little video. So I acquired these guest checks, and actually I saw them and I didn't get them at first, and I kind of talked myself out of them, and then just every time I saw them a few times, and just every time I saw them, I just was kind of like so in love with these. So I finally broke down and I did buy them, and so I'm going to be using them in my journals and crafting with them and things like that. But they're so cool because, and in fact, when I got them today, they're even cooler in person than I could tell in the listing where I bought them from. So what I want to do is show them and show you exactly how big they are, because I don't know if the measurement wasn't in the listing where I bought them, but I didn't realize how long they were. So when I got them, I was like, well, these are really cool. They're kind of like the size of a time card, if you know the long, narrow time cards. So I'll show you with my ruler so you can know I'm telling you the truth. They are, let me show you this way so you can see the whole thing. They're 9 inches long, right there. And they are 4 and 1/4 inch wide, I believe, right there. So very cool. But the thing that I like about these is they're unique. I don't know anything about them, but they look like they were purchased for a restaurant. I don't know if the restaurant went out of business or what, but these are brand new, you know, never used. They came in a box wrapped in plastic, so they're brand new. They have this picture on the front. Let me show you. First of all, it's like a white background, and I'm said it's red in the listing, but it's actually kind of like a burgundy color. If you can see, you can probably see in the camera. And so it's got the guest check here at the top with this little kind of decoration going through right here through the words. And then you have a little number over here, which is cool. And they do, you know, everyone has a different number. And then they have the lines with the numbers going down here in a column. And then the bottom looks like this. And it's really cool because it just has all this decoration on it. It has a decoration on the bottom here. And, you know, the number is on the top right here and on the bottom right here. And it has this little picture right here. And it says Grazy. I don't know. It's not anywhere around here. I don't know if Grazy was a restaurant somewhere, but it does say Grazy. Grazie. And it has like a picture of a bread basket and like a carafe there. Maybe it was, I don't know, maybe it was an Italian restaurant. I don't know. But I just think that's really cool. And then the back is awesome too. And I don't remember seeing the back in the picture where I bought it from. I remember seeing this part right down here, which that is what sold me. And then I got them today and I was like, what is this? Green. And it had this green on there, and I was like, and it's green, it's 2 colors on the back. So this is what it looks like on the top. It says Buena Fortuna or Fortuna. Not sure. That might be Italian. Buena is, I know bueno is good, I think. So good fortune, maybe. Good fortune. And then, so that's in green. It's got a little bit of red or burgundy behind it. And it's got a blank spot over here. And then this column here with the green, and it's like green and burgundy. And then the burgundy numbers going down the side. And then this cool picture on the bottom of like Vienna. So, isn't that cool? Okay, so that's there, and they also have a copyright on them. Copyright is 1994, so they are considered vintage. If you can see that right there, hopefully you can see that. And then the other cool thing, one more thing is, let me show you. The front part here has 2 layers. So this part lifts up, and you have another layer of lines. I've never seen any like this. Maybe if you, I've never worked in a restaurant. I've been to plenty of restaurants, but I've never been given a guest check like this to sign or anything. And with the 2 layers, maybe they tear this off and keep this, or give this to the guest and keep this one. But anyway, I just thought these were really cool with the 2 layers. This is like a paper. This top layer is a paper. The bottom layer is like cardstock, like a regular guest check that you see. It's cardstocky. So it's thicker on the bottom and then paper on the top. But I thought that was cool. There's so much writing on, on this, room for writing if you wanted to include it as ephemera in a junk journal or journal, because you can write on here, you can write on the back, maybe secret journaling, more lines here, and then you've got the back here. So I have a little listing in my shop if anyone's interested. I just wanted to let you know I was so excited about these when I got them today. And so glad I broke down and bought them, because these are going to be fun to use, and it's something that's unique, and I haven't seen them anywhere else. I haven't seen them, anything like this with the burgundy and the green anywhere on Etsy or eBay or anything. So really cool and unique. And they were probably custom made, so that's why there's probably nothing else out there like this, especially if this restaurant's out of business. So anyway, I wanted to let you know, and thanks for watching tonight. Hope you enjoyed those, and I can't wait to start using them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.